Hey, good morning, guys. Don't know what day it is. I think it's Thursday. Might be. Let's see. Tuesday was St. Patrick's Day, so it's the 17th, 18th, 19th. I think it's Thursday the 19th. And I'm up bright and early this morning, which is good. Got a lot of rest yesterday because I stopped pretty early at the water source there and camped, so I laid around most of the afternoon and evening. Slept pretty good. Had all the rain flies open on my tent. I think I had some animal sniffing at me in the night. Something was poking me. And I woke up and it scurried off into the bushes. So, I don't know. Maybe it was a fox or something. Some kind of small animal. It didn't sound like a mouse or anything tiny. It sounded like a cat. Like a house cat size. But, no big deal. Heard lots of frogs last night. I recorded them, so I'll put them in the video track if it came out okay. And today it should be easy. I really need to take it easy. I need to get back to where it feels good to walk again. And the past those couple of days going into Julian and that water carry yesterday, that was just not fun. That was the big challenge. Those were the two big challenging days, and makes it not that enjoyable because everything hurts, and my back's been really not great. Today it's not too bad. My hip it was sort of stiff and sore this morning, and I had trouble standing up, but I don't know. It seems to be loosening up a little bit as I walk. And I'm out of ibuprofen, so I got to get some more ibuprofen. I need something to kind of relax the muscles, and that kind of helps it settle back in. But I'm going to take a little break in Warner Springs. I started about 7 this morning, so I'm probably a mile and a half in, and I came from down over there somewhere, yeah, so I got probably about 6.5, 7 miles to go, which is not bad. It feels like I haven't really been walking that long, and I'm getting pretty close to the day almost being over already. So I'll take a break in Warner Springs. There's not much there. There's a community center. The Warner Springs ranch place, I think, is shut down for renovations. There's a gas station with probably a convenience store. Maybe I can get some of them roller hot dogs or something. Get some protein, and get a few food items. I'm bringing more food than I need, and I'm really not eating it that much. I don't seem to eat much while I hike, and I think I'm just burning fat. I can feel there's a lot of fat layer missing from me at this point. At some point I'll run out of fat, I guess, but won't that be nice? Yeah, today I'm going to take it nice and slow, nice and easy. It's early, so it's not hot yet. It's just nice out. Birds are singing, and I should be done going about 2 miles an hour. It's not difficult terrain so far, so 2 miles an hour is like 3 hours. I'll be done by 11. And then I'll lay flat the rest of the day, see if I can get a hold of some more ibuprofen, maybe at the gas station. And and I may even, I don't know what's there. If there's a comfortable place to just sort of kick back and there's some kind of services, then maybe I'll spend an extra day there just to let my back heal up a little bit. So anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like today. I'll flip this around. Zoom you out. Yeah, it looks nice now, but wait till this afternoon when it gets hot. Yeah, it's not bad in the morning when it's nice and cool. So this is this is it. We're walking. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm feeling much better today. This is the terrain. It's really nice out here. It's not very hot yet. I'm walking much easier. My back seems to be, it starts out stiff in the morning because that's just the way it is. But as I walk, it seems to loosen up, and this terrain is just a nice smooth trail, as you can see. So much easier to walk on instead of stomping and stepping over rocks and uneven ground. You're just sort of strolling along on a nice smooth trail, which is much easier. This is what the Camino de Santiago is like mostly. Just sort of this kind of thing where you're walking on a nice smooth dirt trail or a dirt farm road, and just much easier walking. And yeah, nice soft running shoes, works really well. But yeah, I'm feeling a little better. I needed to get back to where it was feeling good to walk, because it was just miserable last couple of days. Oh, those long water carries. So I should be almost to the water source. There's a stream or something. But anyway, yeah, feeling good. Mr. Bunny Rabbit. He doesn't really seem bothered that I'm coming his way. I'll give him a minute to rest in the shade. Oh, there he is. You gonna let me get by? Can I get by you? Okay. Yeah. I don't want to bother you. Hi, Bunny. So here's coming up on Eagle Rock. At least I think that's what it is. I think I see the wings and the head. This is so much different today than yesterday and the day before. Those rocky trails with no shade and no water are so hard, so difficult. Yeah, you really got to do those at night, I think. You know, night and early morning, it's just so hard in the daytime. Yeah, there's been lots of water today. 2 or 3 streams, some cisterns. So over 8 miles, probably every couple of miles. I'm almost to Warner Springs. I think I got a mile left, something like that. Hey, made it. Warner Springs Community Resource Center. I guess this is technically on school grounds. So somewhere over here.